Hey guys, welcome to the SalvageBoiz channel.
We're actually doing a giveaway right now for a SalvageBoiz t-shirt. In back it has our Denali and our logo on it, and then in the front it says "You're wrecking, we fixed him." That's our memo. So if you want to enter one, how you can do it is like, comment, and share with your friends, and make sure you're subscribed, and we'll pick a winner and you'll win a t-shirt. We'll message you and you can tell us what size you wear, and we'll send one your way so you can rock one of these badass t-shirts.
All right. What's up, you guys? Back at it again. When you think you're all done with this N54 BMW, it throws another problem at you. Guess what I'm doing today? Got a blaster. We got walnut shells. Got the little parts that came in from online store. Got a little blasting extension and little vacuum adapter. Looks like fun. If you guys know what carbon blasting is, that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna blast or walnut blast my intake valves, clean all the carbon off of them, and should be a fun deal. Finally got everything in today, the last piece, and just gonna get at it, take the intake off, and see how fast I can do it. Intake manifold is off, as you can see. Let's see if I get a flashlight in here. Look at those valves. Nice and dirty in there. So you get the idea. All the way around. Now the fun part is getting the blaster out, start blasting those intake valves clean, make sure they're in the closed position. But I took the studs out, makes hell of a easier removal of the intake because of this tube, but it makes it real nice. Just gotta be really careful not to strip them, but it's time to get to work. So I got my blaster all ready, put some walnut shells in there. And there they are. Got the adapter installed. Had to go get this little fitting in there, but other than that, got the little vacuum duct taped on, little vacuum adapter. So this little vacuum goes on to that, and then the blaster goes in there, and I guess you blast the carbon off of it. You gotta make sure the valves are closed. So I got this little guy, a little wire, so I can bump the starter. I'm gonna give it a try for this first one and see if it does anything. One is done, so I'm gonna try to see if I can show you guys. But that's one right there. You still have to get at it with a pick and a little brush on the sides, but I mean, compared to this is what it was. Trying to see if I can get. It's really hard to record, but see that one and this one. Big difference. It actually looks a lot better in person, but on camera with the light it kind of has this little ring, but it's pretty clean in there. Trying to see, but you get the idea. It's not very fun. I should have put the car on the lift so it's a little bit higher so I don't have to bend down, but that's fine. You live, you learn. It took me a little bit to get the right ratio of air and walnut shells, but good thing I plugged those because it does come out a little bit even with that adapter. But just getting at it. It's pretty cold in the shop, but bending over there and trying to reach in there, blast that, it gives you a workout. So I'm gonna just set up a little time lapse and just get at it because I have to check where I missed, and there's some spots that were so bad I had to pick it then blast it. All the intakes are clean. You can actually see inside of them. All blasted like brand new. So got everything blown out of here. Now put some new intake gaskets and assemble it back up and fire it up. See if we can successfully put it back together again. But it wasn't fun bending over there. Turn this light off. It wasn't fun bending over there, but we got it done. Back is killing me now, but kind of made a mess everywhere. But it was actually some of them were super gunked up and it was not fun. You probably see in the videos. I think the third one and the sixth one, those were the most gunked up. It took forever. I used some purple power with some carb cleaner to get it out of there, to break it apart. That seemed to help, but I was just getting the right ratio of walnut shells and blasting in there. I had to bend this little wand because I couldn't get to it, and having everything around it, you know, the vacuum, the light, have to turn this light on, see, make sure I got all of them. Just, I mean, it beats $800 whatever BMW wanted to do it. All this equipment cost me probably, I don't know, $200, somewhere around there, and that's it. I mean, I got it done by myself and it took me what, so far 2.5 hours, 2 hours. But that's just me going slow. Want to make sure I get every nook and cranny of that, breaking everything apart so it's nice and clean and brand new, and just making sure everything's 100%. Got everything put back together. And that's it. I don't know if there's gonna be any more things to do to this thing, but plugged everything back in. I don't think I forgot anything. And that's it. Just gonna clean this up, put all this stuff away, and that's it. The carbon blasting is done. It was a lot easier than I thought. Just a little time consuming if you want to be really careful. Don't get anything anywhere. Just make sure you plug everything back in. But that's it. I think I'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching the video. Again, subscribe, like the video, and comment in order to be entered into the giveaway. We're giving away a t-shirt, one of our SalvageBoiz t-shirts, freshly made. That's the front, and that's the back. And then we're also throwing in a little bullet antenna. So make sure you're subscribed and you like and comment on the video, and you'll receive both of these items. And I'll show you how it looks. Don't mind the truck's a little dirty, but that's the bullet antenna. And that's the t-shirt. Thanks for watching.